Hi guys, so in front of me I have Surface Pro 3 and this type cover. I'm not sure, can you see from this camera, but this side is cleaned and this side is dirty. So what I did is I brought this Surface Pro 3 with this type cover, and it was dirty all like this, and I was trying the different methods how to clean this type cover or this material, and I will show you just in a second what I used to clean this part. I did tape here, so you can see a difference here. So I actually did that for myself to see is that cleaning solution works for this type of material, and you can see it does actually work. And from the inside you can see also that this side is much cleaner. So for the keyboard and this touchpad, I used an alcohol and just a little bit of soapy water to clean the plastic. So this is all the plastic, and I believe this is also the plastic. But this material and this I used. Let me show you this carpet and upholstery cleaner. This is a brand from a retailer, Lidl. It's something we have here in Europe, and it cleans perfectly this type of material. I'm really not sure what this is. I don't think this is an oh my god, Alcantara, but yeah, I will move a camera to different place and try to show you cleaning this part. So the rest of this type cover, the thing is, one important thing is you don't want to have much of this because it does wet surface, and you don't want to too much water and wet on hardware, because I presume there are a lot of components and motherboard or whatnot in this keyboard. So let's clean the rest of it. So this is it, fully cleaned type cover for Surface Pro 3, and I am very happy with the results. You can see there is no more difference between the clean side and the dirty side in the front and in the back. So this side is still just a little bit wet to the touch, But like I said, the important part is you don't want to have moisture inside of this keyboard, because there are some hardware components located inside of this. You can see that some parts are worn out more than the others, like these parts, you can see, and especially this part, but you can't bring them back to their original color, because they are just worn out, and instead they are showing more like a white cover than this general blue, nice blue color. So I'm very happy with the results. I wasn't thinking that I will be able to clean this keyboard as much as I did in the end. And I wanted to say, if you have any other or any better method to clean this type of material for surface products, be sure to let us all know in the comments below, so we can all learn from each other, and to have nicely refurbished products for us that are not necessarily buying a new product, but used like I did with this Surface Pro 3. So that's all, and thanks for watching.